sisters in the Philippines and around the world. Many years ago, when I became friends with President Duterte, my friend, my father, even though I'm almost as old as he is, when I became friends with him, the first thing he told me was, my daughter Sarah is Jewish. And he was very, very proud of that. The special relationship between the Jewish people.
Salamat po sa mga nag-donate ng 2 buong lechon, Tim Hortons, coffee, bibingka, pansit, napakarami pong pagkain. Dito sa Toronto, Canada. We love you, PBRD! You're the best president in history!